Good morning. This is All India Radio, Kohima. The morning news read by Ketholeno. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has asserted that the country has to overcome the second wave of COVID-19 through resolve, courage, and preparation, and urged states to consider lockdowns only as the last resort. Addressing the nation on the COVID-19 situation last evening, Modi said the focus should be micro-containment zones. He said government will take care of economic health as well as the health of the countrymen. Modi said the demand for oxygen has increased in many parts of the country and centre and state governments along with the private sector are trying to make oxygen available to all those who are in need. Modi said the government is using multiple avenues to ensure the transport of oxygen. He said there will be new oxygen plants in the state and 1 lakh new cylinders will also be delivered soon. The Prime Minister asked the state governments to urge the workers to stay where they are. The Prime Minister also interacted with vaccine manufacturers from across the country through video conferencing. He urged the vaccine manufacturers to continuously scale up the production capacity to vaccinate the people in the shortest possible time. Modi assured all possible support and smooth approval process for the vaccine candidates, which are currently under trial phase. Nagaland Governor R.N. Ravi held an interaction-cum-consultative meeting on COVID-19 pandemic with leaders of various sects and faith-based organization of Nagaland at Dr. Imkongliba Hall, Raj Bhavan, Kohima yesterday. The governor told the faith leaders that such extraordinary situation calls for concerted efforts of every individual, every section of the society, every faith, and every community. He urged them to rise up to the occasion and proactively make people more conscious for strict adherence to the COVID-19 appropriate protocols and encourage the eligible people for vaccination. Leaders of Hindu, Muslim, Jain, Sikh, Buddhist, and indigenous faiths participated. The governor thanked the leaders for their valuable suggestions and assured them to take up with the state government for further action. Transport Department has notified that validity of vehicle documents which had expired since 1st February 2021 will be treated as valid till 30th June 2021 in view of COVID-19 pandemic. The notification has been issued as per the advisory of the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, Government of India. The documents which may be treated as valid till 30th June 2021 includes fitness certificate, registration certificate of non-transport vehicles, driving license, learner's license, and permits for goods carriage, contract carriage, private service, and educational institution bus. The notification said no late fee or fine shall be imposed during the relaxation period. Documents for which there is no extension of validity includes temporary permit. Kohima Deputy Commissioner Gregory Tejawili in an order said that COVID-appropriate behavior, especially mandatory wearing of masks in public places and practicing social distancing, will be strictly enforced in Kohima district in view of the second wave of COVID-19. The order said organizers of functions, shops, markets, restaurants, hotels, business establishments, government and private offices, educational and religious establishments, and public transport are to strictly enforce COVID-appropriate behaviors. All permissible gatherings outside the containment zone have been limited to 50% of the seating capacity or 200 persons, whichever is lower. The order said thermal screening shall be mandatory for all gatherings. In the case where the number of persons is more than 200 in open spaces, prior permission of the district task force shall be taken through email or WhatsApp. For taking prior permission, email can be sent to warroomkohima@gmail.com or by contacting WhatsApp number 841-309-9770. I repeat, 841-309-7970. The order said defaulters of COVID-appropriate behavior shall be penalized. And as the number of COVID cases are on the rise again, we appeal to our listeners not to lower the guard, follow all the precautions, and all those above 45 years to get vaccinated without any hesitation. Stay safe and protected by following these 3 simple steps: wear a face mask, focus on hand and face hygiene, and maintain a distance of 2 yards for social distancing. With that, we come to the end of morning news. Have a nice day.